Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with power and proximity. Charge both AirPods and case to at least 50% so pairing won't abort. Keep your phone unlocked with Bluetooth on. Once done, open the case lid next to your iPhone and wait for the animation. If it doesn't appear, press and hold the small setup button on the case until the LED flashes white. Make sure you confirm the on-screen pairing prompt to register the AirPods to your Apple ID. Once paired, you'll fine-tune behavior. Open Bluetooth settings and tap the info icon next to your AirPods to change name and set left/right press or touch actions for play, next, or Siri. This makes controls intuitive for you. Next, choose noise control modes: transparency for ambient awareness, active noise cancellation for focus, or off to save battery, and assign spatial audio or head tracking if you want immersive sound. You're ready to use them daily. Insert each AirPod until you feel a secure seal, because proper fit improves bass and noise cancellation. If you lose audio, toggle Bluetooth, forget device, then reset the case by holding the rear button for about 15 seconds and repair. This clears most software glitches. If sound still cuts or one side is quiet, clean ear tips and the charging contacts gently, and check for firmware updates via your iPhone to resolve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.